Friends, day 34. Tonight I'm in the dog at Over Peover and I'm going to have a meal, and I bet you think that's all I do, eat at pubs and ice cream parlours, but it's not true. I am generally sticking to the wonderful diet that Shelley put together for me, and Fran, you'll be delighted to know that not a single sandwich or bag of crisps has passed my lips since I started the walk. Today I came past the Anderton Boat Lift and then fought my way through a couple of dodgy footpaths and stiles, and I've ended up in this beautiful village ready for tomorrow. So see you on the trail. Another ice on the tent morning this morning. This stile took me 10 minutes to cut my way through.